these incredible apps I've discovered to start earning money quickly and easily. Every day, you can use all of these apps on your smartphone, or even just one. With only a few of them, you may easily help cover life's expenses or perhaps much more than that. The first one is a website that will pay you to test things. The website is named userbrain.com, and it requires completion of numerous activities. And to sign up as a tester, just click here where it says, Get Paid. After signing up, you'll need to do tasks like searching for a birthday present for a buddy on Wish. You will be giving the company's recorded feedback of your experience while using their product. To get started, just enter your email address and password and then click the green button to apply. You can also download their User Brain Recorder to use on Google. All you have to do is to talk through your experience as you are using these websites and testing their products. Next up is an app called Observer, which pays you money into your PayPal account for simply taking pictures in response to very simple questions on your device. Observer is in a category of apps called picture-taking apps and pays you $5 for every recording you make once you've been approved. Making money this way is extremely simple and requires no experience or skills. These applications compensate independent contractors like you for visiting businesses, responding to a few questions, and taking pictures of particular things. Typically, you complete these assignments covertly without letting anyone at the company know what you're doing. Instead, you simply follow the instructions provided in the app to finish the audit. For instance, there may be an assignment that requires you to visit a nearby store and take pictures of the in-store marketing. You may follow the instructions inside the app on how to snap a picture of that with the Pringles on and then post it. The typical mission barely lasts 20 minutes or so. Depending on where you live, you'll make an average of $4 to $20 each task. With the help of the app Observer, you can earn some extra money while you're out and about. The Nexus Notes may be the ideal opportunity for you to make extra money. This website allows you to monetize your study notes, course summaries, lecture notes, or other professional materials. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, upload your materials, and start making money whenever a student accesses your notes. You can make $35 per sale, meaning you will receive 50% or $17. This is a great chance to make extra money whether you work in education or another profession. Imagine getting paid $84 simply for walking, driving, biking, or engaging in any other activity. That's exactly the idea behind the Miles app. While the amount of money you can earn varies, the Miles app is still a fantastic way to make some extra money without any additional costs. If you haven't heard of 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐲𝐬𝐧𝐠, you are missing out on this amazing app that will earn you money. Once you download and register the app, all you have to do is turn on location services and then set it to always. Then you let the app do the work for you by automatically logging in your miles that you can later redeem for gift cards and other rewards. The lowest reward for a survey on this app is an incredible $10, and some studies even pay as much as $50 for each research. It's really easy to apply for studies on MindSwarm, record a fast response and then get paid. You can also get paid within 24 hours. It's vital to note that your video response counts as one study submission. Therefore, it's doubtful that your submission will be accepted if you record your video response while there is a lot of background noise. Instead, choose a quiet place to record your response before submitting it. Are you an Android user who enjoys playing games on your phone? What if I told you that you could actually make money while doing so with Mistplay? With Mistplay, you can earn points for playing games on your phone and redeem them for gift cards, including Amazon and Visa prepaid cards. It's a simple and enjoyable way to earn some extra cash or rewards for the things you love. Mistplay can only currently be downloaded from the Google Play Store and is only compatible with Android-based devices. Next app is Peer-to-Profit. I know you might be a little skeptical, so allow me to explain how the Peer-to-Profit app works. Basically, the app sells your unused internet to companies, so if you're tired of working hard every single day for little to make money without even doing anything, you can earn money by simply using your phone or computer as you normally would every single month just for having installed on your device. The app will continue to work in the background, earning you money ever. Another app that is even better than the previous one is called Eureka. It allows you to earn instant cash payouts just for completing brief surveys. This app is available on Google Play Store and has been downloaded more than 500,000 times. It has received an overall rating of 4.5. They have already paid more than $8 million to their members. To sign up for this platform, all you need to do is go to eurekasurveys.com. Once you are on their website, enter your information and click Sign Up. When you enter your dashboard, the top right corner will display your earnings. If you click to the Surveys section, you can see the survey you may take today to get paid. Since I started using this app Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.